What would happen if your inventory was wiped out by theft, fire, or a flood tomorrow? For most e-commerce sellers, that could be a business-ending situation. But with Next Insurance, you can protect your products and inventory with commercial property coverage, tailored specifically for online retailers. Whether you store your goods at home, in a warehouse, or with a third-party fulfillment center, Next can cover damages, stolen merchandise, and even lost income of business interruption. The best part, you can get a custom quote in under 10 minutes. You just answer a few questions and Next builds a package based on your business type. No back and forth. No sales calls. Don't leave your inventory vulnerable. Click the link in my description and get your business protected with Next Insurance today.